everyone, happy Vlogtober week 3. Happy Monday. Well, not a happy Monday for me because I stayed up to take my package out to the post office. I printed out the label and I packaged it up nicely, and I was walking down to the post office. I walked there twice because I thought it was closed the first time, and then the second time I went back and then I actually read the sign and it said it is closed because today is Columbus Day. So good thing I live only like a minute away from the post office. It's right beside my apartment, but it's still frustrating. I went like all the way out there, like I was happy as can be walking down with my package, and then it said it was closed. So I'm really disappointed. I had this thing all planned out. I was finally going to check it off my to-do list because I put it on my to-do list for like 2 weeks now and I haven't got to sending that package. I was finally going to do it today and I couldn't. So I am super annoyed. So I'm just going to wait until tomorrow and mail it out then. I just have to put it in like the mailbox slot, but the actual post office is closed, so you can't like go in to just drop off a package. So yeah, that is how my Monday is going. Not very fun. Who knew this was a holiday? Like, I forgot all about that. Is it just me, or do some people actually like sometimes celebrate it or sometimes not? Because I remember in elementary school I tricked my mom like 2 times saying, oh, it's Columbus Day, we had no school, but in fact there was school. I just didn't want to go to school, and she believed me. She was a teacher and she believed that, oh yeah, since I don't have school, you don't have school. But we did have school. I have no idea, but yeah, now I am just going to get undressed, put my loungewear back on. That is how my Monday is going. How has your Monday been? So as you can see, I was meant to cross that off, but I can't today because the post office is closed. So I am going to sort this out, erase all of it, and then start on next week. I'm taking pictures for my blog today, and I'm also doing like a mini Instagram reels kind of thing. So this was my Ulta haul from, I don't know, 2 weeks ago now. So I laid it all out on my desk. I'm taking flat laid pictures with my phone, and yeah, that is what I'm up to. I also have both ring lights on, one over here, the other over here. So I'm done taking pictures now. I am sorted with that. Like, I took all the blog pictures. I even took some Instagram videos and created a reel. I've been sat here for like, I don't know, almost 2 hours trying to figure out Instagram reels. I made a Trader Joe's one. That was the first one. So this like makeup haul is gonna be the second one. So I've just been sat here editing it, so I can give you like a little sneak peek on my phone. I downloaded it, so I just have to add music and like the text, and yeah, I'm still figuring it out. I'm probably going to try and figure out how to put it on TikTok. I'm not very good with this. Like, learning something new, I get frustrated and then I figure it out. But yeah, I've been spending my time doing that, taking all the blog pictures, and I've just been doing a lot of work for once. So yeah, that has been my evening. Happy Tuesday. I got the package. Let's try again and go to the post office. So just walking down the street, there it is. There's the post office, and it was open, so I put the package in. I was so happy. And then while I was walking out to go home, you see a fun little surprise. So when I opened the door, there's a little dog. So I'm just walking home now, and it was a successful trip. I actually made it, and I can cross it off my to-do list. So I'm gonna make my mom's famous recipe. Have eggs, and this was from the other night. It's just ground chicken and potatoes, and then I'm gonna put eggs in it to make like a pancake kind of situation. I'll show you. Okay, here's it mixed in with the eggs, so that's all mixed together. I'm just going to put it in the pan. Heated up the pan with some oil in it. Here's how the first one came out. It never does good, so yeah, hopefully equiform, but I can never get it right the first time. Or is it halfway cooked? I mean, it looks decent. I put a bit too much egg, so it turned out to be more like an omelet instead of torta, but it's still edible. So here's how the first batch turned out. It's not the best, but it looks okay. So this is how it's supposed to look. So as I said, I can never get it the first try. Second time, looks perfect. So let's see how this is going to cook and if I can actually turn it into like a patty situation. As you can see, it is perfect. This is how it's supposed to turn out, but the first batch, I don't know why I can never get it right. See how perfect that is? And I'm making a tortilla over here because I want to wrap it in a tortilla like a breakfast burrito. I also melted some cheese on a tortilla, so I'm going to stuff that inside so it's yummy. Got some tropical punch Kool-Aid, and then here's how it turned out. Wrapped my tortilla up. That's what it looks like. Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. So I'm hopping on here a little bit late. I filmed a try-on haul today, so my room's a bit of a mess and I finally got to wear my lounge set. So if you've been watching these, you've seen that I've been wearing this pink sweater. Well, I bought two more colors, a gray and a black. You probably already saw the try-on and I already explained it there, but it's just so cute. So I'm wearing that now that the try-on is over. Here is the aftermath of my haul. So I have clothes everywhere, shoes on my bed, and it's a mess. Have my ring light, a ring light over there, my tripod. I mean, my room's a mess, but it's not as bad as it usually is. So here is what I'm wearing. You've probably seen it multiple times already. I filmed an Instagram reel, an IG story, and all that with like these outfits, but I am going to live in this. I'm telling you, you're gonna see me wearing these so much. The pink one, the gray one, and then this black one. So yeah, it's just so comfy and cute, and this is usually what I wear around the house anyways. They're considered pajamas, but I don't wear them as pajamas. I wear them as loungewear when I'm just here at the house. So I'm probably gonna clean up my mess later. I am gonna go head out and cook some dinner. I'm probably gonna have chicken fingers or chicken, what is it? They're called chicken fries. They look like chicken fingers, and a quesadilla. That's all I'm gonna have because I had breakfast earlier, which I forgot to share with you. I do show more stuff on my IG stories, so you can check that out if you want to see more of my life. I'm just going to leave this mess alone. I am going to turn off all the lights, and then yeah, that is my evening. I need to import the footage that I shot today, but that was very productive and you got to see a little behind the scenes. I can insert the clip now. It's not really good, but here's the behind the scenes of me filming the try-on haul. So here's my dinner. So underneath the cheese, I've been putting this garlic dip from Trader Joe's, and it is amazing. So I've been making garlic cheese quesadillas. Here's the other one. I'm gonna put it on top, put it together. So here's how my quesadilla turned out. The cheese is nice and melted, and my chicken fries or whatever. I'm just having water for dinner tonight, so yeah, just a quick and simple meal. Hi guys, happy Saturday. So I haven't vlogged since Wednesday, I believe, so I was busy working Thursday, Friday, nothing too exciting. So I thought I would vlog today because I am heading out to Target. So I always love me a Target run. So I got all dressed up. I'll show you my outfit in a minute. So here are my accessories. I have my cardigan, my bag, my phone, and in my matching face mask. So I love that I'm accessorizing with a face mask to match my outfit. I also got this bag out, and I actually found $20 in it. I think 22 to be exact. So that's always a nice surprise. I had no idea there was money in there. So don't you love when that happens in like old bags or like a pair of jeans, you find money? So that really made my day. Also, yes, I lost a nail yesterday, so yeah, I didn't glue it back on, but I've never had my nail so long before. It's not focusing. There it is. So I've never had my nails, like natural nails, that long. So that is really weird. So I'm not gonna bother turning my ring light on, but this is my outfit. You've probably already seen it in my haul video. So yeah, here is the top, my cardigan. I have the bag, some leggings, and then just some bow slides. So yeah. Oh, and the headband. I'm wearing a headband and a messy bun. Headband's Target. I'll link my outfit details down below. just what I came here for. A wreath and all the pretty decorations. There's some more over here and all that fun stuff. Look, a turkey. I have those from last year, the bows. Lace decor. I mean, I can put that on the fireplace. The cute pumpkins, ceramic pumpkins. These are cute pumpkins. Love those too. This is so cute. Love that. Signs. All that. This is also cute. What does this say? Thankful. Oh, look at the pretty truck. Happy harvest. Here's some sparkly pumpkins. Hello, so I'm back home now. Target didn't really have anything in stock. I don't know why. There was like nothing worthwhile there. All I bought was a bag of chip. That's it. I guess that was a little bit of a fail. But I did go to the 99-cent store. As you saw, I did like a little like what's in 99-cent store. There wasn't much decorations in there either, unlike last year. I don't know if I'm too late, but yeah, I guess I can go show you what I picked up today. I was gonna show you my haul outside, but it's very noisy and we have the fan on. It's really hot today. I think it was like in the 90s, so I'm a little sweaty and wearing the mask. Don't mind me. Let's just see what I got today. So here's a very random haul. So this is the one thing that I picked up at Target. So yeah, I've been obsessed with this and I use it with a dip. So yeah, I bought these. Then this giant thing, I got the wreath that you saw me holding. So yeah, I'm gonna put it up on my mantle in the next few days. And then I made an Ulta order. Oh, I also got these at the 99-cent stores, just some blades to trim up my eyebrows because they're getting out of hand. I have 3 Ulta bags because I ordered everything separately to be picked up online. You can take advantage of the 20% off any item. So I just did separate transactions, but I can show you all the goodies that I got. So I moved the wreath so we can get into it. I bought most of the lip stuff. So here is the few things that I got. So Wet n Wild was buy one get one half off, so I got the lipstick half off for $1. This is only $1. I got it in the shade Skinny Dip. You probably can't see that. And then this is what I came into Ulta for, so I ordered it online. It is the lip sleep mask, I believe, sleeping lip mask, and I saw this all over TikTok. I bought these 2 e.l.f. products. So this is a cute little bite-sized eyeshadow palette in the shade Pumpkin Pie. So that's super cute that I can't wait to wear for fall. And then this lip balm that I also saw on TikTok. It is the e.l.f. lip balm in Tough Cookie, so pick that up. And then we got a matte lipstick from NYX in the shade Brunch Me. So this has been on my wish list for a while, and I got it for 20% off, as well as this. I follow a blogger who totally recommends this formula, and I got a red shade for Christmas. I mean, it is a little too early, but I still got a red lipstick. If I like this one, then I'll probably buy a more neutral shade, but she swears by it, and I love blogger recommendations. So yeah, I love that I picked up what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lip products, and I need to wear a face mask like 100% of the time when I'm out. But when I film videos and stuff, and I can totally like switch it out. That was my mini Ulta haul. So I'm probably gonna go cook dinner now and then just relax. I only got about 5.5 hours sleep, so I'm gonna go take a nap on the couch. And yeah, that has been my Saturday. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue the vlog tonight or continue on tomorrow, so bye for now. Hi everyone, happy Sunday. It's actually 6 a.m. on a Sunday and I'm just now heading to bed. So yeah, my sleep schedule is very screwed up and I go to bed around like 6 a.m. Don't ask me why, but yeah, I am gonna go head to sleep now, but I'll still vlog today. I'll probably wake up around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, I guess I'll just catch you up when I wake up. So I'm sat at my desk, I'm editing this video. It was supposed to go up today, but unfortunately I didn't get it up in time, so I'm going to have to post it tomorrow on Monday. But that is exporting now. Connor's new cover while I'm doing this. So yeah, that is what I am up to. Don't know the rest of my plans for today. I'm probably going to finish up with the blog post that matches this video, and then upload this, and then probably post the Instagram picture or schedule the Instagram picture as well to go up on my phone. So yeah, that is my Sunday plans. So here's my dinner tonight. I made homemade french fries and a veggie cheeseburger, and I put like garlic spread on the bun, and then I have grape Kool-Aid for my drink. And I always post these cute little Instagram stories, so you can follow me to see all these cute like food graphics I make with like dinner, lunch, whatever. So yeah. So the rest of the evening I sat out with my dad in the living room. I was on my phone. I was watching a few TikTok videos. Apparently I landed on Niall Horan TikTok, which I'm not complaining about. I love him. I've been listening to his album constantly. And then I discovered dog TikTok with all the cute dogs. So that is what my like TikTok looks like. Then I got bored of that and I decided just to watch The Good Witch because it's just so comfy and such a cute show. So I had Pringles and like a zebra cake for my dessert that evening, midnight snack. So I watched quite a few episodes of that. I think I finished with season 5 on Netflix already. Now I'm in bed here with Mr. Ted and I'm all snuggly. I just love this blanket so much. And it's just so warm and nice. So it is almost 6 a.m. again, so I'm going to head to sleep now. I hope you enjoyed Vlogtober week 3. I can't believe it's already like 3 weeks into October. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I will link everything that I mentioned down below, as well as my Instagram, which you can follow me to see more Instagram stories about my daily life. And that is it for this week's Vlogtober. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.